What's up guys, in this video you are going to learn how to sign up for the Target affiliate program. What's up guys, I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How, and I help people learn how to use technology to build an online business and create a life of freedom. And one way to do that is through affiliate marketing. Another way to do that is through the Target affiliate program. Let's jump right over here to the affiliate website for Target and I'll show you how to get signed up. Now I've got other videos on my channel that talk all about affiliate marketing, what it is, how to get started, and you're gonna need a blog or website to get started with affiliate marketing. So make sure you check out the link below this video to learn how to start a blog or website today, and then you can get started with your affiliate marketing. Once you have your blog set up, you can come right over here to affiliate.target.com and join the affiliate program. You can earn up to 8% commission on certain categories, which happens to be a little bit higher than some of the other affiliate programs that you might find through Amazon or Walmart that I talk about on my YouTube channel. Target is also a very popular place to shop for a lot of bloggers out there. You'll see a lot of influencer mommy bloggers, Instagram moms, promoting Target as a place to shop. For some reason, women love Target. I don't get it, but the Target affiliate program is a great program specifically for that reason. So you're gonna come right here, click join today, and then you're just gonna fill out some information. Like I said, you're gonna need to fill out your website right here. Most affiliate programs require a website. So it doesn't really matter in a lot of cases how much traffic you're getting, but as long as you have an active website or blog and you're contributing to it, you're going to get accepted to a lot of these programs. So go make sure you start your blog before getting signed up, and then you can come back to this video. But if you have your blog ready to go, you're just gonna fill out this simple information right here and continue to finish your setup. They might ask you for, some personal information, an EIN or social security number, maybe fill out a very simple tax form, and then you're gonna be done, ready to go, and they'll notify you once you get accepted into the program. All right guys, that's how easy it is to get signed up for the Target affiliate program. If you have any questions, leave a comment below this video. Or if you have any questions about starting a blog, website, or building an online business, I'd be happy to help you out however I can. Once again, guys, I'm Andy, here to help you learn how to use technology to build an online business. We'll see you in the next video.